The Windows 10 Game Bar is a dashboard built into Windows 10 that allows you to quickly view system performance, audio settings, and more with a quick press of your keyboard's Windows key plus G key or a connected Xbox controller's home button. With CORSAIR iCUE widgets for the Windows 10 Game Bar, you can quickly select your custom profiles or change your system's lighting on the fly. To install the CORSAIR iCUE Game Bar widgets, visit the Microsoft Store on your system running Windows 10, or download the widget directly from the Widget Store in the Game Bar menu. Note that iCUE version 3.30 or newer is required for the iCUE Game Bar widgets. You should also check to make sure that iCUE SDK is enabled by going to the Settings tab in iCUE and ensuring that the checkbox next to Enable SDK has been checked. Once the CORSAIR iCUE Game Bar widgets have been installed, press both the Windows key and G key on your keyboard, or press the Home button on a connected Xbox controller to bring up the Windows 10 Game Bar. The iCUE lighting window allows you to quickly set a dynamic lighting link effect across your iCUE-compatible hardware and peripherals. This will only override the lighting of whatever iCUE profile you have set currently. The iCUE Profile Selector window allows you to quickly switch to one of your custom iCUE profiles directly. To close the Windows 10 Game Bar, press the Windows and G keys again on your keyboard, or press the Home button on a connected Xbox controller. And that's it. For more information about CORSAIR iCUE, check us out at corsair.com/iCUE. Thanks for watching.